Let me just start this video by saying, yes, I know I look like a potato. My hair is pulled back, so my face looks extra round. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and I'm back at you again with another video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you for joining me again today. So I'm going to be doing a different video on my channel. I need to stop moving so much. Recently, I've been in search of new hair bundles to do my hair. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about the Nudala hair, so I decided why not go ahead and order some and see what I think of it. So I went ahead and ordered some Nudala hair. I ordered this on Thursday and it's already arrived. It's Sunday today, so it took a total of 4 days for it to get here, which is super good and fast service, which I love because my packages never come that soon. But I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing with you guys today, and I hope you guys enjoy. So let's start off with packaging. So this is what their packaging looks like. It just says Nudala on it, 100% virgin hair. And then on the side of the box, it has all their socials on it, which is cool, so you guys can follow them and see what's up with their product. This also did come inside of a mailer, so it didn't just come in the box like that. But inside of the box, this is what the inside looks like. But inside, this is what the box looks like. I got the Brazilian Wave 4 with 4 bundles and a closure. So that's what I ordered, and that's what should be inside of this box. It looks like they gave me some lashes, which is really cool because I love me some lashes. And then it says, I think this is a comb. It says Nudala.com first anniversary. So I guess they've been up for a year, and so they're celebrating by giving everyone a comb brush, which is really cool. It matches my shirt. That's nice. And then I ordered 4 bundles, and they should all be 18 inch. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. Okay. Oh my god. So it looks like it comes in a bag. I'm just going to take it out. Whoa! I can't even take it out. So this is what the hair comes in, a little net, which isn't like out of the usual. This is what the hair looks like. I mean, it looks nice and it feels really soft. It does have some stray away hairs if you just look at it really close, but nothing like that's too bad. Doesn't seem to shed yet, but I'll update you guys on that after I install it in my hair. I'm probably gonna get this installed like sometime next week, so I'll let you guys know then. But it looks really nice. It's really soft. This is what the weft looks like, so quite a bit of weft. But yeah, I like it, and it looks like it has some highlights. It's not completely black, I guess. It's like a dark, it looks dark brown to me, but it might be black. I don't know. But I might even dye this hair, so we'll see how coloring does on it as well. I don't know how I feel about the smell. I definitely am gonna wash this before I install it in my hair, and I do that with all hair that I order. But yeah, that's what the bundles look like. They're all the same, so I'll show you guys one more. But they should all look the same since they are all the same length. So again, it comes in the net. And I'm glad that there's like a lot on the weft, because my hairstylist, I don't know, I'd be going to her without the correct amount of hair. So hopefully this one looks a lot curlier than this one to me for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I be going to her and not having enough hair sometimes, so I be embarrassed. But I have 4 bundles now, so hopefully that's enough for my head. And then I also got a closure, which I've never done before, so let me see what this even looks like. So this is what the closure looks like. This looks really light, so I might have to, I saw some other girls like bleaching theirs, I guess. I don't know if you're supposed to bleach these. I don't know. I'm probably just gonna do the same thing. I'll probably just bleach this since it looks really light. But this is what the closure looks like. And that just goes like in the center of your head, I think. And then, yeah. So this is what it looks like. And it's also soft too. But anyways, guys, that was my unboxing of the Nudala hair. It seems to be pretty good so far. We'll see what it feels like and how it does in my hair and how it colors, because I might color it, like I said, after I install it. And I'll let you guys know, and I'll do an update video for you guys. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see updates on this hair. And make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave, of course. And I will see you guys in my next video.
I wish somebody would have told me, babe, someday these will be the good old days. All the